Welcome to Asake Online. My name is Zenzele Ndebele. Today we bring you this program from the United College of Education, where there are Zimbabwean residents or returning residents who are quarantined at this place. Most of these who are here, or all of them, are women. Earlier on, we had gone to the Bulawayo Poly, where there are men also quarantined there. These are people who came from Botswana, most of them, and some were deported. Others were unfortunate that when they were coming from shopping in the afternoon, they found that the Botswana policy had changed and they had to be quarantined or deported so that they can be quarantined here in Zimbabwe. So they are going to be under the 21-day quarantine. Speaking to journalists, the Deputy Minister of Social Welfare said there are about 256 returning residents, while the Bulawayo Poly as well as the United College, this is part of the group that was earlier on in Plumtree, where there were about 400 people who were there. Some of these people have tested negative, and that's about 96 of them have already tested negative, and they are ready to go home.
Today we are here to meet our brothers and sisters from Botswana, returning residents. So this is the purpose of the meeting, just to look at their welfare and see whether they are happy, whether as a ministry we are doing enough to service them. And I think that's our mandate as a ministry, to look into people who are returning from other countries back to Zimbabwe, especially in view of this COVID-19. It is an emergency thing, and it was declared a disaster. And everybody, as you mentioned, the Honorable Governor, that we are all learning, because this is a new thing, and but we hope to do our best. I was informed that this institution was housing almost, well, it's housing 256 inmates who came from Botswana. And I'm happy to say 94 have graduated. That's what I got from my ministry officials. They were tested and they are free to leave. So I want to thank the Honorable Governor as the chairman for the Provincial Task Force, for the job well done. What we got from the inmates is that I think they were quite happy and they are not complaining. You treated them so well, and they are all happy to go back to their homes. So what we are going to do as ministry, maybe what we did as ministry, was to provide the upkeep for those returning residents, the 256 who are housed here, and another 200 who are housed at the United College. And the ministry to provide all the requirements in terms of food, in terms of accommodation. And when I went to Masvingo yesterday, one of the young guys was complaining about overfeeding. And I'm sure that's the same situation which we got when we came to this place, that our inmates are getting enough resources in terms of food. In fact, the only challenge we have, these people are coming from different directions all over the country. It may be a bit difficult to hire one bus when somebody is going to Cholocho from here. The other one is going to Zimba. The other one is going to Masvingo. So the officials are now seized with those arrangements. Make sure that we provide enough transport to take our brothers and sisters home. And also, apart from providing transport, the ministry is going to make sure that they have out-of-pocket allowance, so that as they move, they'll be able to buy a banana and orange, and also not just to feed themselves whilst they are going to their final destination. And when they get home, again, some of them were deported. Some were just unlucky. They'd gone to buy some few things and they were caught in between. Some were pardoned by the Botswana president. We also have some few people who had committed crimes. Let me put it blindly. We could be having some few criminals, who were deported because of this COVID in Botswana. And I think the police is going to be on the lookout to ensure that we have enough details to trace all those people in case some are bad apples. But what we've done as government is to ensure that they are free from COVID. Other things would be, police has to do their work. Social Department of Social Welfare, we need to make follow-up and see whether they have enough food when they get home, so that we can either provide some basic commodities so that they will be able to settle without any challenges. So we've got a mixed bag, but we are happy that they are free from COVID-19. So, Governor, and maybe let me say the principal, Mai Masanganise, thank you very much for the job well done. And we hope you continue to receive more and more. And these 94 who are graduating from this center are going to stay again for another 2 weeks. They are going to lock down at their homes so that they finish the mandatory period of 2 weeks, which was announced by the president. So it's not like they are now free to go. I know they've got the certificates, but they are going to lock themselves back home. They should be, in fact, they should be in their homes for another 2 weeks until we get it to, when is it 3 May. So that's the situation. So what we are simply doing now is to ensure that we try to get more kids so that we visit, only 94 were tested and we have another 42, which we think they should also graduate in the near future. Once enough resources, once we deploy enough resources to try and test the 142, then they should be able to live and join their families home.
Talking to some of these returning residents, they complained about a number of issues, including the living conditions. Some have said they wanted to go home now, but they were waiting for transport and they were not clear how they were going to be taken home. Others also complained that they were cold at night because they did not have enough blankets. Others said they were not getting enough attention or care, as some of them were not feeling well and therefore they were not getting any attention. So clearly this is quite a problematic system, or the whole issue might actually expose some of the weaknesses with our systems. Also looking at the people or the sitting arrangement, we find that those who have tested and those who have not tested spend the whole day in the same place, and there's a risk that if any of these people here who have not yet been tested are actually positive, might spread the virus to other people because they spend most of their time together. So we hope that with time these people will be cleared, and it is only our hope that most of these people here are going to test negative and they'll be able to go back to their homes.
They want to look inside. Just one room. Just one room.
Indlela esiphila ngayo yiyo engasiphilisi kahle kahle. Sihlezi sibaningi endaweni engamelanga ukuthi sihlale sibaningi. Two siyahlota ingubo, asilamasepa akugeza. Masikhuluma ngamasepa bathi saphiwe plum tree, asilamafutha okugcoba. Uma bekhuluma ngamafutha bathi asizawathola emakhaya. Two asila address right esizwisisayo ukuthi basi addressele kahle ukuthi basitshele ukuthi vele thina silapho kwesikhathi esingana.
Lina libuyeni indaba.
Thina sibuye lapha mhla
izolo sitshela ukuthi thina siyaphuma namhlanje 21 days ethi kwanti izolo. Manje namhlanje sazi sithi sihlaliselweni la.
Lina livela nga.
Mina mvele case kodwa kade singiya lapha emkhaya.
Nasivele Bhinga. Thina sivele Bhinga. Dantande Bhinga. Lapho sisuka khona. So besikhangelela ukuthi makuthi kakula transport kungcono basidingela imali transport kungcono siyecela nje ukuthi sibe sihleze emalokishini kwabanye abangani bethu ukuze i-lockdown izivule kungaba ngcono than ukuthi sibe sila ngoba lapha silaphatha zokutshintsha silani sihlala sinje kuphela.
Okumangalisayo ukuthi kathi njengoba izolo sichekiwe maye okwalamhlanje sisameleni lapha ngoba sichekiwe satholakala ukuthi negative nxa usuhlala lapha sesiqinisa ubamba umkhuhlane siyachekwa kangaki
akubeza takapiwa panapa ari kukosoresa ari kuisa chirwere ndo chinhu chekutanga atizoti chatakachengeterwa chii masanitizer hatina pano anoya ma11 onzi 1 omwe anogara muhomwe vakuru vanawo masanitizer isusu panapa vanhu vacho vakachengetedzwa vari kufungira kuti tine chirwere hatina zvinhu zvekudzivirira gumbezi racho nerinombuumuka zvekuti wakarifema wakarizunza wakarifema dasti racho so unokosora usiku hwese.
Tanifona kuenda nasaka tisikuziva posta ngomirira ngonza kuna fiwa ameni.
So imwe muri kuenda kupi?
Harare. Chitungisa.
Okay. Ndiani umwe atesta?
Ina hangu hanisati ndatestiwa ndonzi maizvitiki ndogara kunotoni. Ndiri kukumbira minista kuti deva tionewo takasiya mhuri kunzvimbo yepatinogara munomu hatina kana pekutangira takanzi siyai zvinhu zvose ikoko muye munomu saka tinotokumbira minista atibetserewo tiwane pekutangira nevana ndo zvatinoshuira
tokumbira kuti dai taziva kuti tinoenda rini tinobuda rini toda mabhasi takangogara pano awo tatestwa nhasi saka tisi kuziva kuti tokuenda rini but zvinhu zvatinoda kuzivawo kuti vatiudze kuti tiri kubuda rini.
Inini ndobva gokwe ndoda kutaura kuti izvoni panapa takangogara kuziva takarwara havasi kutiudzawo kuti tiri kubuda rini ende takarwara kwacho havatibati zvakanaka vanokuudza kuti zvoni isani ndakarwara panapa ndakatadza kufamba vakanditi kwazvo ndine nhumbu apa ndasina kana nhumbu yacho vakandiignowa anditi saka kana vakatengenda panapa tinokumbira kuti vakwanisawo kutibatsira kuti takarwara vatatendewo kandipo even parasite chaiyo hapana vakanditi kwaizvoni une nhumbu vakandiignowa saka so reason yavakatichengetera panapa kana vasingatipiwa vanofana kana vakachengeta panapa vatibatsirewo nekuti vatipewo kana matabletiwo kana vakaita sei vachiribatawo zvakanaka ikozi panapa hatisi vasungu vakati vatichengete panapa saka hatizivi kuti toita sei
ekufuga magumbeze tokumbirawo magumbeze hembe zvahatina kana senge ndotoende chita mapiritsi ndotomwa echirongwa but ndotoshaya kana chikafu chacho kunyatsondirura ndopuwa mapisi 4 saka ndotokumbira ezvinomuviri wangu watodzoka saka ndotokumbira kuna minista wedu kuti atibetserewo magumbeze vana tiwanewo pekutangira isu nyama dzedu dzakatoora kudhara saka totokumbira kuti vatinzvewo.
Ndoda kutaura nyaya yemakadhi vari kuti zvoni vari kuda makadhi ekuti kana tichida kupiwa mapiritsi totora makadhi manje takabatwa murodhi hatina makadhi ebp vari kungotipromisa mapiritsi chikafu hatisi kuramba kuti chiri nani but chikafu chacho hachisi kuita havasi kutombotibata zvakanaka tine chando havasi kutirwisa pane maskito sadza harisi right majuzi
njalo lesepa kasipiwanga ama-toothbrush asipiwanga lekudleni ngale kasidle okufananayo abanye baphiwe okuncane abanye okukhulu so konke lokhu is a problem.
Ayukuhlala lapha besihleli sibe besihleli kahle sigeza ngamanzi akhudumala kwesikhathi kade sekanda sebeyala ukusinika abaphezulu labaphansi menibe yala ukusinika amanzi so kade sihleli khona ukuhlala kade sihleli sisidla sibili ukudla kade kudliwa.
There are some women with young children, and the minister in his speech said the government was going to do whatever it can to make sure that people at least get allowances to get to their homes so that they have a fresh start. Whether that is going to happen, it's a story that would wait as it unfolds. But conditions cannot be the best, and people had so many complaints about the place, and we hope that all these people who are here are going to test negative. We also heard that 96 of these people have already tested negative and they are ready to go to their homes.